What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again here on Saturday, All-Star Weekend Saturday. About to go ahead and check out one of my other stores to see what's going on. Of course, we got to pick up those 13s today. Who's not picking up the playoff 13s? If you like what you see, hit the like button, share the video, and check out Bossco'sGoodies.com, you dig? I'm rocking my other playoff sneakers, the 12 Lows. Definitely a fire sneaker right here, man. Let me see. So we got these twos on deck. I'm not sure what the name of these are. We got 17 Jordan 2s coming out this year, from Jordan 2s to Jordan 2 Lows. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. So still have this one with the crazy sponge midsole. Definitely a fire Jordan 2. Let me know if you guys are liking this. And once again, if you guys want to get down with the retail pickups, all you got to do is hit that link in the description. Orange AJKO still here, mids. They were just showing me some other stuff down here, which are collabs, where we got them at. The Pumas. Right here. So the dude was just showing me this one right here. It's like a collab with somebody. Let me know if you guys are feeling this. Gives you a panda vibe almost too. Retail for these are $120, so that's not bad for a Puma sneaker. Then they got these also right here with this, I like the materials on here, man. The colorway is not too bad either. $100 on the retail for these. Of course, they still got LeBron 3s, pennies. He also showed me this one right here too. Let me know if you guys know about this colorway. This is a collab with a brand also. Looks like it's already used and dirty. Pretty dope situation. Let me know what you guys think about this. Puma Suede Coca-Cola collab. $80 on the retail for these two. Take a picture in case somebody wants these. They got New Balances, Nikes. Let me know what you guys think about this Air Max 90 right here with the suede. 160 is the retail. Detail on the tongue. Never seen these blazers with the flame on the side. 110 is the retail on these. Not a bad sneaker. So they still have reverse laneys, gorge greens, a few Jordan 2 Lows like I showed you. They got the Jordan 6 black chromes on deck still. 3 winterizes. Bunch of retros here. If you guys are looking for some stuff, hit me up in the description box or become a member. Like, you guys know what's up. Really good selection of sneakers here at this location. Jordan 9s, the 9 boots. I thought they would have the high 85, but I'm pretty sure those sold out. Then they have some Yeezys over here too, 350s in a gray colorway. And then they got these Kobe's right here. Now these just came out. Let me know if you guys are feeling these or not. Got the Laker yellow on the bottom. Let me know what you guys think about these Kobe's in the comment section below. I used to own this silhouette, but just not this colorway. Spin on the Air Max 97. No air bubble visible. It's all painted up. Are you guys feeling that or not? Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. These up-tempos are pretty dope too for the ladies. Like all wheat with the leather. I'm not mad at these at all. 1 to 10 scale. Let me know what you guys think about these. Pretty clean though. Still have some of these on deck too, if you guys might have missed out. A few sizes left in those. Got some of these on deck too, $250 to retail. These like Y3s. Last pair of these? Okay, yeah, these ones are pretty clean right here. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway. Last size left right here. They got playoff 13s here too, with a great selection of retros, man, for men. And they got some stuff for women as well. But as you guys can see, they have a lot of good stuff here at this store. So either get here yourself or hit me up in the description box and I'll come and grab something for you. But they always have a great selection of stuff. Let me show you briefly what they have for grade school as well. Over here, you got a lot of Jordan mids and lows. Much things that you've seen, but just in case, they still have some Khaled's. Smaller sizes right there. Pretty dope. So they have these Air Max 90s in a couple colorways. I definitely seen this one before, and I like this colorway, man. This is definitely one of the better Air Max 90s I have released. This one's something here for the ladies with some pretty good materials on him. I like the colorway. Got some good leather on there too. Let me know if there's anything you guys are seeing here. Hello Kitty still available. This is definitely a dope colorway. And they also have the Halloweens too. Prestos, and you have the what the. This is one that was kind of slept on, man. I'm a big Presto fan. I just never was able to find these in my size. This Jordan jersey here, very classic. As we're here for All-Star Weekend, they got one of the best All-Star jerseys ever made, in my opinion. The one out there in San Antonio, this was definitely classic, bro. Let me know what you guys think about this jersey, and if anybody has these in your collection, let me know. They also got the dope Chicago Bulls jersey, as well as some North Carolina stuff too. They'll have some Khaled's here in a couple colorways. Looks like a bigger size for that colorway, but the cream one or tan one like a smaller size. What do you guys think about these Cortez? Super small. What do you guys think about these little Cortez right here? Definitely different. Maybe there's something I don't know about them. If you guys have more information, let me know what's up with these. Air Max 1s over here in a couple colorways. Don't recall seeing this one recently. The yellow and gray. This colorway is definitely not too bad on those. Got another colorway, Air Max 90. The apparel here, BBC. The apparel here is definitely on point. It's a little taxi. This jacket is on fire. 315. If it got a little colder more often, we're almost gonna get out the cold area, so I'm not gonna even consider it. But the materials here, the merch here is crazy, bro. These hats right here, don't know how much they're, oh. Yeah, this hat is very stylish, crabby. Snapback on the back. I don't want to drop that. This one's pretty fire too. Then you got the one with the panther on it also, pretty dope. For sale, a lot of things here are on sale. It's up to 40% off the regular price. Jordan tees. Okay. Some of these brands I don't know, but the merchandise looks pretty dope. Really graphic tees. Billionaire Boys Club tee. How much is this one? 57 with 40% off. That's pretty dope. Maybe I have to scoop some of this up for my birthday coming up on March 1st. Lacoste. Adidas. So all this stuff right here is 40% off. LeBron 9s. LeBron 9 reverse Liverpool. LeBron right here are definitely on point. 40% off of these though. So 126 with 40% off on those. That's crazy. That's dope. LeBron 3s. Then we got LeBron reverse Liverpools, but this is a steal right here. 126 minus 40% off. I believe that's below $100, right? Billionaire Boys Club merch. This shirt is on fire. I like this one also, as well as the jeans with the little giblets on there too. Other Billionaire Boys Club shirt. That colorway is pretty dope too. Billionaire Boys Club has been doing it for a long time with the merch, bro. These are pretty clean as well. They got sweats as well here too. Clothes and sneakers for men, women, and kids. If you need something that you see in a video, hit me up in the comment section or become a member, you did. Got these dunks here, which we've seen already over there too. These Jordan 2 lows for ladies. This colorway is definitely different. Good materials. Quality is always on point with the Jordan 2 lows or Jordan 2s. Accessories, G-Shocks, a few different styles, 99 bucks. I'm a fan of G-Shock watches. I like that blue one back there, that red one here, maybe even this little green one.
I'm 40 years old now. When they say you reach 40, you reach the bridge of maturity. That's what I was told.
Yo, it's no more time to play. It's no more time to be nice. Like, we too old for that shit now, man.
I'm too old for it. I don't play that bullshit.
So they had these the last time we came. Give me your honest thoughts and opinions on this. And I asked for your thoughts and opinions because you guys are the one watching. I want to know what you guys think about the shoes that I'm picking up. I know I might sound a little repetitive sometime, and I'm working on that, man. But players mess up too, you dig? What do you guys think about this colorway? This one definitely was tried on. Are we a fan of these dunks or not? They got them in 2 colorways. Like, this is a newer colorway of this model right here. 185 on the retail. Got the forest green with the purple in there. Anybody out there owning these? Don't know how I feel about them. They look okay. Look more like a winterized vibe. I like this color scheme on here. Got that swoosh right there too. That's dope. So they do have the classic sneaker on deck. Don't know what sizes they have left. Been waiting for these to come back for a long time. I'm definitely about to go scoop them up right now. So we made it happen, man. This right here is classic, bro. You know, I've been waiting on these to drop a long time. Some people might say it's a simple shoe because it's black, white, and red, majority black. But it's just classic. So much nostalgia with this sneaker. Had to grab them. Let me know if you guys picked up a pair of the Jordan 13 playoffs. I know I did. And they will be available. They're not like super gone. I mean, it really depends on where you're shopping at. But they are available in certain places. I mean, the shoes are saying you guys seen them millions of times on TV. Or on YouTube, I mean. But 1 to 10 scale, either definitely a 10, one of the 5 releases that I'm going after this year. You know what I'm saying? And I got them kind of with ease, no stress. So let's see what's next. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. All-Star Weekend 2023 so far has been crazy. I mean, you know, these are my 2 All-Star Weekend pickups. The MB02 Rick and Morty. Definitely showed you guys these on the last video. Very creative shoe, colorful shoe. I think I like the left shoe a little bit more than the right shoe, but that's just my opinion. Overall, great All-Star Weekend thus far. I mean, I'm not trying to grab anything on Sunday, but as far as pickups for Saturday, we in there, bruh. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, you dig? Of course, I got these 3s on deck too, which I am a fan of. What are these? Air Max Plus laces. I don't know. Got them in black, gray, and even white also. They got the reverse Brazils. You guys feeling these or not? Let me know your thoughts. Definitely seen these, but this is like a, you know, popular drop for this week, along with what I just got there in my bag. Let me know what you guys think about these, and did you guys scoop them up? I like this colorway though. Mars for Hers are also dope too. Slept on, kind of like a Raging Bull 5, but it's not. What are you guys picking? The LeBron 20 stocking stuffer? You picking the LeBron 20 olive suede? This is definitely a dope. Or are you guys liking this one the best? 3 colorways here in store, LeBron 20s. Let me know which one you guys like the most. Now, this Air Penny right here, Air Penny 1, kind of like a safari feel, safari vibes. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway. Definitely one of the better Penny 2s. Excuse me, Penny 1s to drop $190 though. That's a little bit much for those. All-Star Giannis Antetokounmpo. What do you guys think about this Zoom Freak 4? Like the detailing on the Nike swoosh 2023 and Roman numerals on the back. The KD 15 All-Stars on deck too. This colorway definitely one of the better ones to release. Retail is $160 on this, $10 more than the other ones.